How to share and move project in CapCut. What's up everybody? In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to share and move projects across your CapCut app on PC or phone. So the first thing you want to do is open up CapCut. If you guys didn't know, CapCut has this feature where you are able to share different platform across your devices. So what you have is called spaces here over on the left side of your screen. And there are different spaces that you can create over here. So you have your space over here that you can see. So if I just head over to this folder, there are different pictures, videos that have already been edited. So if you basically want to upload these things over to your space, you can go to your home screen, select one of your projects, click on the three dots, and then from here you'll have this option called upload. If you tap on upload, it's going to ask you to choose a location. I'll just select this current space over here. You can create a new folder if you want. So let me just go ahead and create a new folder. I'll just name it something like test, and I click on upload. So it's as you can see here is this icon 1 being naming it has been uploaded over here. And if you have the pro version of the app, you'll get 100 gigabytes of 1000 gigabytes of free space on your CapCut cloud space, which you can use to access your projects across all of your devices. So if I just head over to test here, the folder has been created, but I think there might be some glitch because the folder the video is not inside the folder. So I can just drag it over to the folder and it has been moved. That's how you can move it. Now, if you want to share your stuff or your projects, you can just basically right click on them from your space. So just go ahead here, right click on any of these, click on move, and then you can move these to a different location. And in order to share it, you will find the option at the top right corner here. Just click on this plus icon. You can create an invitation link to share. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you in the next video.